Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. We will continue our second chapter today, and in this video we will learn about the prime factorization. So let's start. Prime factorization. When we break down a number to its prime factors, we call that the prime factorization of that number. Prime factors can never be composite numbers. So we have already learned about the factors and the prime numbers and composite numbers. So when we split a number into its prime factors, okay, what are the prime factors? It means that the numbers that have only two factors, the 1 and the number itself. For example, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. And composite numbers are the numbers that have more than two factors. So there are two methods to do this prime factorization. First one is uh, factor tree method, and the second one is division method. So first let's discuss them one by one. Okay, so what are factor trees? Okay, in for example, draw factor tree to show prime factors of 12. So we have to draw a factor tree in which we will show the prime factors of 12. Okay, so first write 12 here. Now think about any two numbers that make 12. Think about any two prime numbers, a pair of prime number that makes 12 when we multiply them. As we know, 12 is an even number because the digit at units place is an even. So it can be divided by 2. So we can split up into 2, and 2, we know that 2 6 are 12. Okay. So we have split it into two factors, 2 and 6. Now here 2 is a prime number but 6 is a composite numbers. It means that we will further divide 6 into two more factors because 6 is a composite numbers. So 6 is again an even number, so it can again be divided by 2. So we know that 2 threes are 6. Now here the 2 is a prime number and 3 is also a prime number. It means that we cannot further split them into factors. So the 12 has three prime factors, 2, 2 and this 2, 2 and 3, the numbers which I have circled. So this is how we do a factor tree method. We just split a number into prime factors. If that number is prime, we just circle them, and if that number is composite, we further divide it into two more factors and prime factors until we get all the prime factors. Okay, now we will discuss the division method. Find the prime factors of 36 by using division method. Okay, now we have to find the factors of 36 by using division method. In division method, we write number like this, and when we write, okay, as 36 is an even number, so we can do it with 2. Okay, so we cannot divide completely 3 by 2, but if we divide 2 ones are 2, then 1 remainder goes here, it will be 16. So 2 eights are 16, means 2 eighteens are 36. We can again divide it with 2 because 2 nines are 18. Now we cannot divide it with 2 because 9 is not an even number. Now we can do it with 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. So this is basically just a division, but the method of representation is changed here. In division we do it like this, but here we do like this. We write the number here which we have to split into prime factors, and then we, according to that number, we write numbers here and the answer here, again number and answer, again number and answer. So this is how we do division method. Okay, so let's do this question from exercise on page 34. Draw factor tree to show the prime factors of 42. Okay, now we have to Find the prime factors of 42 by factor tree method. So write 42 here. As it is an even number, so we can do it with 2. Now, how many 2s make 42? 21. Okay, so here the 2 is a prime number, but 21 is not. It is a composite number. It means that we can further split up into. It is not an even number, so we cannot do it with 2, but we can do it with 3, because 3 sevens are 21. So 3 and 27 are prime numbers. So we get 3 prime numbers here, 2, 3 and 7. So 2, 3 and 7 are the prime factors of 42. And we can write it like this: 42 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. See, this is how we write prime factors. So prime factors of 42 are 2, 3 and 7. If we multiply them together, it makes 42. Okay, let's do another question of division method. Find the prime factors of 117 using division method. So let's do it. 117, as you can see, it is not an even number, so we cannot do it with 2. Can we do it with 3? You have studied divisibility rules, and what was the divisibility rule for 3? If we add the digits, what does it make? 7 plus 1 8 and 8 plus 1 9, and 3 can divide 9. It means that 3 can divide this whole number. So let's do it with 3. 3 threes are 9 and 2 goes here, which is carry. It will be 27, and we know that 2 nines are 27. So again we can do it with 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Now we cannot do it with 3 2, because 13 is a prime number, so it can only be divided by 13 itself. 13 ones are 13. So here we get 3 prime numbers, 3, 3 and 13. So again we can write the prime factors of 117 like this: 3, 3 and 13. So these are the prime factors of 117. So I hope both the methods are clear now, factor tree method and the division method. But still, if you have any question, then you can contact on school's contact number. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.